Hey everyone, today I'm going to walk you through how to make an animated explainer video in Lumen5. The first thing you want to do is to pick one of the art styles that really speak to your brand, whether it's 2D or 3D. We have many different options available. I'm going to pick the Slender one, which is a charming 3D character style. There's different aspect ratios you can choose from, and today we'll just make a landscape video. Here's where you can put in your content, whether you want to paste in a script or pop in a blog post. For this video, let's just say an apple a day keeps the doctors away. And let's just make a 30-second video. We'll have an AI voiceover and we'll have the system rewrite this idea into an explainer script. We'll go ahead and hit generate a script. And here we have our 28-second script. And if we're happy with it, we can go ahead and hit continue. This is where we can add a character. It's not mandatory, but let's say I have a photo that I want to upload. I'll go ahead and upload this image of a doctor that I want to use, but it can be someone from your brand, your organization, or yourself. And what the system will do is to turn that reference image into a recurring character in our video. It has generated a version of doc that is suited to the art style that you picked. And if we're happy with that, we're going to go ahead and hit next step. And now we've arrived at the storyboard phase. The storyboard is a sequence of images that has been generated to help us tell the story. So you can see that we have the apple, we have the doctor. It's talking about how Apple adds fiber and water and talking to the doctor and all the different things of bringing that story to life. And if we're happy with these images, what we can do is animate each of these scenes. So if we're not happy with it, we can click edit image. So for example, maybe this one here, it's got a little delightful saxophone, but maybe I want to keep it a bit more professional. And I can say, remove the saxophone man. And then I can go ahead and update that image. So you can go through scene by scene, see if you're happy with how the system is telling your story. If you're not happy with a still image, you can regenerate a different image using a different direction until you're happy with how the storyboard flows. And here you'll see that with the edit of my prompts, the saxophone man is now gone. If I'm happy with the scene, I can click animate this image. If I'm happy with all of them, I can animate them all at once. Now the process is complete. Our sequence of still illustrated images are now fully animated and we can watch the video together. Let's check it out.
We hear that line and picture one apple shielding us from illness all by itself. Repetition drives the habit and your health mostly follows the small thing you keep repeating. An apple adds fiber and water and it often replaces chips or a skipped meal. That swap compounds quietly, meal after meal, long before any doctor visit puts a number on it. You don't need miracle food. Lock in one easy default you can keep on hard days. The saying stuck because the apple was never magic. It made consistency easy to picture and easy to remember.
And there's the video. From here, you can download the video directly and post it on wherever you like, or you can take it to the Lumen5 editor and make further edits. You can add captions there, you can add different scene designs or your watermark. There's all sorts of different things you can do. All in all, that's how you make an animated explainer video in Lumen5 in just a couple minutes without any experience in illustrations or animations or whatsoever. We can't wait to see what you create.